Welcome back everybody to the R44 workshop, and today is quite a cool day. We're installing some paddle shifters to the G90 and, well, you could fit them to the G99 M5, the Touring, but this is the G90 M5. These are MagTrace JQ paddles, which have the nice little feature of which is quite cool. So if you're an M5 owner, you know the paddles on this car are literally non-existent. They're quite cool because you do have a boost feature, which you press down and hold, you get a little bit of a punch of such from the electric battery, but overall there's no feel in the paddle. And to be honest, the quality of the paddle compared to like a G series M3, M4 is just horrendous. But we did pay 120,000 for this in the UK and they gave us bad paddles. So we're gonna spend £500 more and we're gonna get ourselves some clicky boys. So yeah, we're gonna show you how to install them in this video. But if you do have an F series or an E series, there are JQ paddles for yourselves and they're actually really nice. They are billet aluminium with carbon inlays, which are really nice, but these are full carbon pieces, curved nicely. Oh, why don't we go show you if you have an F series, M3, M whatever. So if you have an F series car, well, F or a G series, your paddle shifters will look something like this, which is absolutely beautiful. These are 6-axis machined, I believe, or 5-axis machined. You've got your paddles inside here. Ooh. So they come like this. We'll pop them open just to show you the difference. And this will fit a F series car, so M2, M3, M4, as well as the G series platform, but beautiful. These are for an F series, so this is for a F80, F82, F80, yeah, F22, whatever you want, F series wise. This will fit you unless you have like a 5 series. They go on like that, which look amazing. Probably something more like, yeah, not like that, it's the wrong sided, but that's fine. And if you have a G series, they're a bit more machined on the back to match the G series ones. So anyways, in this video, we'll be installing these beautiful carbon pieces to this M5. All right, so G series G90 wheels are different to majority of the BMW wheels. They're very similar to like an Audi wheel where you have to access the hole to release the airbag on the back of the wheel. So put your car in drive, foot on the brake, turn your wheel so it's upside down. There's a little hole on the back side here, small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you add some protection to the steering column cover here because you will mark it if you're not careful. Put it in, and I think it's a pull downwards like that, and it will pop the airbag out. From there, I would probably just recommend resting your airbag like so. You don't need to unplug it. Obviously, for untrained professionals and anybody, you should definitely disconnect the battery, but for video purposes and the need to keep moving your wheel, we are keeping the battery connected, but we're very well prepared to jump out the car when it all goes wrong, so don't worry about us. So what I've done now is I've quickly taken off a few things to kind of just get an understanding, because just like you guys, this is my first time, but we're working it out. We're showing you guys how to do it. So there's 2 screws on the back side of this. Take those out. That will allow the trim to pop off. Pretty much the rest of the trim is all pushed into the wheel. So just give it a pull, but just try and work your way around so that you don't break anything, and then it will come off something like this. You can unplug some stuff, but otherwise there's the torques that you need to get to for the paddle shifters. So what we're going to do now is take out these torques, I think the T20s, and then pull off the paddle shifters, and we'll compare both of them. Got the new paddle here, which looks really nice. We're going to install it. The only thing that you need to make sure is you use the screw from the JQ, which is a machined screw rather than like a wood screw of such. So yeah, you're just going to put them through. Just be careful with the wire. So slide it in, and then once it's in, you want to put the screw in. Just make sure you tighten the screw. Don't over tighten it because you could pull out a thread, but you also don't want to leave it loose because it will just rattle loose because you use the paddle quite a lot. So yeah, let's tighten them all up. Let's start to put the trim back in, and let's see what the finished article looks like. All right, so we've now installed everything. Just please be careful. Make sure you tighten the airbag like harness up nicely. Just go around it slowly. Don't tighten all of one and then go around. Just tighten them in like a nice little sweet sequence. Make sure it's pushed in. Make sure your screws are in for this lower trim. Make sure it's a nice detail all the way around. From there, it's as simple as plugging it in and then just pushing it in and then pulling off your adhesive, or your protection that you put on the column. And yeah, that's it. Clicky paddles. So yeah, as easy as that, we have changed the paddle shifters on the G90 M5. And I think it's a must-have mod. They're just not very good from factory, and the JQ paddles just fit. They feel good, they look good, and that's all you kind of need. So yeah, if you need anything for your car, hit us up on our sales lines or just check the website. We have everything on there. We have some more how-to videos and some cool YouTube videos of what we do here. We're wrapping vehicles there. We've got Blair's beautiful 1 Series on the ramp. So anything BMW, we're your people. So yeah, check out our website, and yeah, check out the next video on Wednesday or Sunday.